5 weight loss boosting drinks to kickstart your morning with. Drinking these weight loss boosting drinks accompanied by healthy foods and workout may speed up the weight loss process. Losing weight has never been an easy task. Also, the thought of burning the stubborn belly fat can be a nightmare for many. But, if you are really looking to lose 4 to 5 kgs in just 2 to 3 weeks, which may sound a little unrealistic to most of you, then you have surely come to the right place. Experts around the world recommend to exercise and maintain diet regularly, which, of course, helps a lot to shed those extra kilos. However, drinking weight loss drinks accompanied by healthy foods and workout will speed up the weight loss process. These weight loss drinks will not only help you manage your weight but will also boost your body's metabolism and improve digestion. The best part is that they are super easy to prepare at home. So, without much ado, let's jump right in. Here are 5 weight loss drinks that you can kickstart your mornings with. 1. Pineapple juice for boosting metabolism. According to the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, pineapple comprises bromelain, which helps in digestion and cuts inflammation. Moreover, pineapple juice can ease the symptoms of colitis, which is an inflammatory bowel condition marked by bloating and dehydration. Ceylon cinnamon is added to this juice that helps to suppress appetite, lowers blood glucose and improves lipid parameters. Limes are known to be rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. They boost immunity and regulate satiety and body weight. Things you need. 1½ cup pineapple. 2½ tablespoon of lime juice. 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder. Black salt as per taste. Method. 1. Cut pineapple into smaller pieces and put the pieces into a blender. Blend well. 2. Now, pour the pineapple juice into a glass and add cinnamon powder, lime juice and black salt as per your taste. 3. Stir well the mixture. Have this weight loss drink empty stomach in the morning. 2. Green tea and mint for belly fat. The caffeine present in green tea acts as a stimulant that has been shown to aid fat burning and improve exercise performance in various studies. Green tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins that aid weight loss by mobilizing fat. Mint could also play its own sweet role in weight loss, and the reason is tied with its much-famed digestive properties. Mint stimulates digestive enzymes, which help facilitate better absorption of nutrients from food. When the body is able to assimilate and absorb nutrients properly, there is better metabolism. A faster metabolism aids weight loss. Things you need. 2 tablespoon green tea leaves. 6 to 7 mint leaves. 1 cup hot water. Method. 1. Take a deep-bottomed pan and add 1 cup of water and mint leaves and bring it to a boil. 2. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. 3. Now, add green tea leaves and let them soak for 5 minutes. 4. With the help of a strainer, strain and pour the boiled water into a tea mug. Stir this weight loss drink before consuming. 3. Coffee with dark chocolate for effective weight loss. Coffee consists of caffeine that very effectively increases metabolic activity and boosts energy level in our body. Better metabolic activities and high energy levels may lead to suppression of hunger in the body. Moreover, coffee has an element called chlorogenic acid, which is known to speed up weight loss. Research proves that dark chocolates have high satiety value, therefore, they make you feel full for a longer time. They are packed with MUFAs, monounsaturated fatty acids, that are known to boost the body's metabolism and burn fat. When eaten in moderate quantities, dark chocolate is known to slower the digestion process and curb cravings. Things you need. 1 teaspoon black coffee. 3/4 teaspoon grated dark chocolate. 1/2 teaspoon ground flax seeds. 1 cup hot water. Method. 1. Take a coffee cup and add hot water and coffee in it. 2. Now, stir it well and add the ground flax seeds. 3. Mix well and top it off with grated dark chocolate. 4. Citrusy drink for belly fat. Scientists at the American Nutrition and Medical Research Center showed that grapefruit contains unique plant compounds that promote weight loss. This fiber-rich fruit makes you feel full for longer, thus functioning as an excellent appetite suppressant. Pomegranate is loaded with health-promoting antioxidants. The fruit is known to boost digestive health thanks to the presence of B-complex vitamins. They also contain fiber, which is essential for digestion. Things you need: 3/4 cup grapefruit, 1½ teaspoon organic honey, 3/4 cup pomegranate, salt as per taste. Method: 1. Take a blender and throw grapefruit and pomegranate into it. 2. Juice the fruits and pour into a tall glass. 3. Now, add honey and black salt as per your taste. 4. Stir well before consuming. 5. Ginger and lemon for gut cleanser. Ginger can work wonders for your digestive health. According to the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing House, ginger protects and heals the gut, hastens the movement of food through the gastrointestinal tract, and reduces bloating and cramps. It also awakens the taste buds, and gets digestive juices flowing. Dr. Sapna V. Roshni, dermatologist, Kakuna Center of Aesthetic Transformation, says, lemon is a very rich source of vitamin C and works as a detoxifying agent. The pectin fibers present in lemon slow down the digestion of sugars and starches, and improve gut health. Things you need: 1-inch ginger root, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 cup of cold water, 3/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Method: 1. Cut ginger in small pieces and toss into a blender. 2. Now, add cold water and blend it well. 3. Take a tall glass and pour the blended ginger water into it. 4. Now, add lime juice and roasted cumin powder. Stir well before drinking. Try any one of these 5 morning weight loss boosting drinks to cleanse your body from inside out and see the results in just few weeks. Stay healthy. If you are looking for a right way to lose weight, click link in description to learn more.